Now, when it comes to custody and child support, custody, I would say there can be a benefit to filing first with custody because it's telling the court, hey, there's a dispute and I want to get in front of a court to get it figured out. So I think it can be beneficial to an extent to go ahead and file first if you can. However, the court's polar star when determining custody is always going to be the best interest of the child. So let's say, for instance, you have a parent who has custody of the child, maybe not per a court order, but just by default at this point. And there's another parent who is asking for either joint custody, primary custody, or some type of visitation schedule. And the parent who has the child isn't allowing it to happen. Well, the parent who has the child doesn't necessarily have a need to go to court, right? They already have what they want.
Right.
It's the parent that needs some sort of evaluation to be done so that they can get some custody or visitation rights in place that needs to go to court. And so in that instance, it is not simply that because the parent who's asking for some type of custody rights files first, that means that they're just going to switch the custody around, right? The court's job is to determine best interest. And so they're still going to be considering that.